In this video, we'll show you 29 most iconic places to see and things to do when you will come to San Francisco. We've also included a detailed travel guide at the end, in order to be a help for your travel plan. Before we begin, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Lombard Street is known as the most crooked street in the world. It's located in San Francisco's Russian Hill neighborhood and has 8 sharp turns in just one short block. The street is surrounded by colorful flowers, green bushes, and beautiful houses. Drivers move slowly down the hill, and many tourists come here to walk or take photos. From the top, you can see nice views of the city and the bay. It's one of the most fun and famous spots in San Francisco. The San Francisco cable car is one of the city's most famous icons. It's the last manually operated cable car system in the world. The cars move by gripping an underground cable, and you can hear the sound as they climb the city's steep hills. There are 3 lines, and they pass by popular spots like Union Square, Nob Hill, and Fisherman's Wharf. You can ride inside or hang onto the side for a fun experience. It's not just transportation, it's part of San Francisco's history and charm. Alcatraz is a small island in San Francisco Bay, best known for its former high-security prison. It was used as a federal prison from 1934 to 1963 and held famous criminals like Al Capone and the Birdman. The prison was built to be escape-proof because of the cold, strong waters around the island. Today, visitors can take a short ferry ride to Alcatraz and explore the prison cells, dining hall, and watchtower. The audio tour shares real stories from guards and inmates. You can also walk outside and enjoy views of the Golden Gate Bridge and the San Francisco skyline. Some say the prison is haunted, and special night tours are available for a spookier experience. Waymo is a driverless taxi service in San Francisco. The cars have no driver, only cameras and sensors that help them move safely. You can book a ride using the Waymo app, just like a regular taxi. The car arrives, opens the door for you, and follows the route by itself. Inside, there's a screen that shows the trip and a help button if needed. It feels strange at first, but it's quiet, smooth, and part of the future of travel. At Pier 39 in San Francisco, you can see a large group of sea lions resting on floating wooden docks. They started coming here after the 1989 earthquake, and now hundreds of them live at the pier. The sea lions lie in the sun, bark loudly, and sometimes push each other off the docks in a funny way. People gather to watch them every day. It's free, fun, and one of the most unique sights at the waterfront. You don't need a ticket. Just walk to the back of the pier and enjoy the show. Fisherman's Wharf is a historic area in San Francisco that was once home to the city's fishing fleet. Today, it's a top destination for food, shopping, and local history. You can visit Pier 45 to see real World War II ships like the USS Pampanito submarine. The area also features the famous Musée Mécanique, where you can try vintage arcade games. Don't miss the fresh seafood stalls, clam chowder in a bread bowl, and the smell of sourdough bread baking at Boudin Bakery. Baker Beach is a beautiful sandy beach on the western side of San Francisco, with amazing views of the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a great place to relax, walk along the shore, or have a picnic. The waves can be strong, so swimming is not always safe, but the scenery is perfect for photos. On clear days, you can see the Marin headlands and the ocean stretching for miles. Baker Beach is peaceful, quiet, and less crowded than other tourist spots, making it a great escape from the city. The Painted Ladies are a row of colorful Victorian houses located next to Alamo Square Park in San Francisco. They are one of the most photographed spots in the city. These homes were built in the late 1800s and are known for their detailed woodwork and soft pastel colors. From the park, you get a perfect view of the houses with the modern city skyline in the background. It's a great place to relax, take photos, or enjoy a picnic on the grass with a beautiful San Francisco view. The Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. It connects San Francisco to Marin County and is about 2.7 kilometers long. Its orange-red color makes it easy to recognize, even in the fog. You can walk, bike, or drive across the bridge and enjoy amazing views of the city, bay, and ocean. Many visitors stop at the viewpoints on both sides to take photos. It's a must-see when you visit San Francisco. The Palace of Fine Arts is a beautiful and peaceful spot in San Francisco. It was built in 1915 for a World's Fair and looks like a Roman or Greek temple. The large dome, tall columns, and calm lagoon create a perfect place for walking, taking photos, or relaxing by the water. Many couples come here for wedding pictures, and it's also been used in movies. It's free to visit and great for a quiet break from the busy city. Grace Cathedral is a large and beautiful church in San Francisco's Nob Hill area. It's known for its stained glass windows, peaceful atmosphere, and indoor labyrinth for quiet walking. The building looks like a classic European cathedral, and many visitors come here to enjoy its art and calm feeling. The Transamerica Pyramid is one of the most famous buildings in San Francisco. Its tall, pointed shape makes it easy to recognize in the city skyline. Built in 1972, it was once the tallest building in San Francisco. Today, it is still an important part of the city's business district. Although the inside is not open to the public, many people visit the nearby Redwood Park to take photos of the building. Golden Gate Beach is a quiet spot with amazing views of the Golden Gate Bridge. You can walk on the sand, take beautiful photos, or just relax with the sound of the waves. It's a peaceful place to enjoy nature and the city at the same time. San Francisco City Hall is a grand building in the Civic Center area. It was built in 1915 and has one of the largest domes in the world, higher than the U.S. Capitol in Washington, D.C. The outside has beautiful columns and details, and the inside is even more elegant, with marble stairs and a huge rotunda. Many weddings take place here because of its beauty. The front plaza is often used for speeches, public events, and peaceful protests, making it a symbol of both civic pride and free expression. Salesforce Tower is the tallest building in San Francisco, standing 326 meters high. It opened in 2018 and quickly became a modern symbol of the city. The tower has offices, cafes, and high-tech meeting spaces, mostly used by tech companies. Its top is lit with digital art at night, which changes colors and patterns. The building is earthquake-resistant and built with green technology. While the inside is not open to tourists, you can enjoy views of the tower from many parts of the city. The Bay Bridge connects San Francisco to Oakland and is one of the busiest bridges in the U.S. It has 2 levels. The upper deck carries traffic into San Francisco, and the lower deck goes toward Oakland. The bridge is over 7 kilometers long and offers beautiful views of the bay. It's often less famous than the Golden Gate Bridge, but just as important for the city. San Francisco's Chinatown is the oldest and one of the largest in North America. It's full of colorful streets, red lanterns, and traditional Chinese gates. You can explore herbal shops, temples, and markets with fresh produce and seafood. Many visitors come to try dim sum or buy souvenirs like paper fans and tea sets. The famous Dragon Gate marks the entrance on Grant Avenue. Walking through Chinatown feels like stepping into a different world, right in the heart of the city. The Da Young Museum is located in Golden Gate Park and is known for its modern design and art collections. Inside, you can see American art, fashion, and pieces from Africa and Oceania. Don't miss the observation tower. It offers amazing city views. Dolores Park is a popular green space in San Francisco, located between the Mission and Castro districts. On sunny days, the park is full of people relaxing, playing music, walking dogs, or enjoying a picnic. The grassy hill offers a great view of the downtown skyline. You'll also find palm trees, playgrounds, and tennis courts. It's a perfect place to feel the local vibe and take a break from the busy city streets. Ghirardelli Square is a historic chocolate and shopping area near Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. It used to be a chocolate factory, and today it still smells like sweet cocoa. You can visit the Ghirardelli store to try famous ice cream sundaes or watch how chocolate is made. The square also has boutique shops, cozy cafes, and places to sit and enjoy the bay view. It's a perfect stop for a treat and some relaxing time during your city walk. Coit Tower is a tall white tower located on top of Telegraph Hill in San Francisco. It was built in 1933 as a gift to the city and offers great 360-degree views of the skyline, bay, and bridges. Inside, you can see colorful murals painted during the Great Depression, showing everyday life in the 1930s. You can take an elevator to the top or walk up the hill for a little adventure. It's a peaceful spot that mixes art, history, and amazing scenery. Twin Peaks offers one of the best views in San Francisco. From the top, you can see the entire city, the bay, and even the Golden Gate Bridge on a clear day. It's a great spot for photos and sunsets. The Embarcadero is a long waterfront road in San Francisco, stretching from the Bay Bridge to Fisherman's Wharf. It's a great place for walking, biking, and enjoying views of the bay. Along the way, you'll find famous spots like the Ferry Building, outdoor art, and local markets. The area is lively during the day and peaceful at night, with lights reflecting on the water. The wide sidewalks and open spaces often host parades, holiday events, and food festivals. It's also a popular location for peaceful protests and community gatherings throughout the year. The Conservatory of Flowers is a beautiful glass greenhouse in Golden Gate Park. It's full of rare tropical plants, colorful flowers, and exotic orchids. It's a peaceful place to explore nature and take great photos. The Castro District is one of the most colorful and historic neighborhoods in San Francisco. It's known as a center for LGBTQ+ culture and pride. Rainbow flags, friendly cafes, and unique shops line the streets. The famous Castro Theater still shows movies and hosts special events. Visitors often come here to learn about history, take photos, and enjoy the open, welcoming atmosphere. Golden Gate Park is one of the largest city parks in the United States, bigger than Central Park in New York. It's full of trees, lakes, gardens, and museums. You can walk, bike, or just relax on the grass. Popular places inside the park include the Japanese Tea Garden, Da Young Museum, and Conservatory of Flowers. On weekends, You might see people playing music, doing yoga, or enjoying a picnic. It's a peaceful escape right in the heart of San Francisco. The Mission District is full of energy, culture, and events all year long. From street festivals like Carnival to live music, food fairs, and art walks, something fun is always happening. People gather to celebrate Latin culture with dancing, colorful costumes, and great food. Parks like Dolores Park host open-air movie nights and weekend picnics. Whether day or night, the Mission is one of the best places in San Francisco to feel local life in action. Land's End Trail is a beautiful coastal path in San Francisco. It offers peaceful walks, fresh ocean air, and amazing views of the Golden Gate Bridge and the cliffs. Perfect for a short hike and photos. The San Francisco Gay Pride Parade is one of the biggest LGBTQ+ celebrations in the world. Every June, the streets fill with colorful floats, music, and thousands of people wearing rainbow colors. The parade moves through Market Street, ending in Civic Center Plaza, where a huge festival takes place. There are live performances, speeches, food stands, and community booths. It's a joyful event that celebrates diversity, love, and equality, and welcomes everyone to join the fun. San Francisco is one of the most visited cities in the United States, known for its hills, bridges, and culture. If you arrive by plane, you will land at San Francisco International Airport. From there, you can take the BART train, a shuttle, or a taxi to the city. A train ticket to downtown costs around $10 to $12, while a taxi is about $50 to $60. You don't really need to rent a car to explore the city. Many places are close together, and public transport works well. If you drive into the city, parking can be expensive and hard to find. Some hotels offer parking, but they may charge $30 to $60 per night. Hotel prices in San Francisco can be high. A mid-range hotel is usually between $150 and $250 per night. Budget travelers can find hostels for around $50 per night. Meals at restaurants cost about $15 to $25 per person, while fast food is cheaper. You can see the main sites in 3 to 4 days, but a week gives you more time to explore. The best time to visit is in the spring or fall, when the weather is mild and there are fewer tourists. Summer can be busy and surprisingly cool because of the fog. San Francisco has many events and festivals. The Cherry Blossom Festival is in April, Bay to Breakers Run in May, Pride Parade in June, and Fleet Week in October. Whenever you visit, the city offers amazing views, famous landmarks, and unique neighborhoods to discover. Thank you for watching till the end. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.